What they are doing is wrong. Deep inside them, they know what they're doing is wrong. And they know I'm not committing any offense. So I am here waiting to see if they will really respect the law and respect my rights and allow me to go to the hotel and sleep.
The market, not you to buy things in the market. They are not taking you.
Bobi Wine amaze finally nakkirizibwa okwebaka obwenkoledde video wabula njagala owulire ebigambo police byogedde nga bino byonna tebinaba kubeerawo olunaku lwero ne moments ezasembeyo wali bamukubidde tear gas ku motoka ye byonna bibino. Uganda police evuddeyo n'ekiwandiiko kiwanvu nnyo babyogedde byonna ku Bobi Wine n'embeera eriwo wetwogera essaawa zineno. Uganda police bagamba nti Bobi Wine nga bw'abadde nga akikola okusinziira ku bo bagamba nti alemeddwa okukwatagana nabo. Kati mu bigambo bingi basembezaayo byenjagala nkusomere ku paragraphs esembayo esatu nga bagamba nti okuva ku time bwe yakubidde rally yasembeyo e Kapelabyong yabadde mbwa proceedinga ku Amuria. Kakati ye Bobi Wine wano wabadde ku NTV ye agambye nti yabadde agenda kwebaka olw'ensonga gye yabadde bamubuukingidde okubanga yebaka. Poliisi egamba nti bano bamubulookinze era nga bamulaga we ajasa okubanga agenda okusobola okubanga yebaka. Kati kitegeeza nti yo poliisi wano eraga nti Bobi Wine yabadde akya proceedinga to his next campaign wayadde agenda gikuba in the middle of the night nanga osimanyi. Kakati boye bagamba era ne bagamba nti badde bamulaga we endala basobola okubanga atambula nabula n'agaana. Kati ne bongako ne bagamba nti after the okay, nabagamba nti abadde bamukugira akozese oluguudo olulala wabula n'alemerako. Kati bagamba bati security advised him to use the Achoa Akotomit bino bigambo bizibu nnyo town sorority for safety and compliance purposes. The candidate declined his guidance and instead packed, stating his intention to proceed to Amira town, which was declined by security agencies as it was outside the authorized campaign time. Kakati bano bagamba nti yabadde agala proceeding Amuria town. Bobi Wine yadde ayogera ku NTV yagambye nti yadde agenda kwebakayo. Kati batuusa awo wetwogera ssaawa zinene ali mu sorority 5 minutes where bamurebooking wala ate olw'ensonga nti enkya agenda kubeera sorority. Kakati wano nanewo bamutaddeko emmotoka bbiri emabega waliyo mu sides maaso n'emabega yembeera eri wawula police naye bwetegeezezza eggwanga olunaku olwaliro mu ssaawa mu dakiika wenkodde video eno wentone emabega.
What they are doing is wrong. Deep inside them, they know what they are doing is wrong. And they know I'm not committing any offense. So I am here waiting to see if they will really respect the law and respect my rights and allow me to go to the hotel and sleep. All I am asking the police officers is to allow me to go to my hotel and rest. It is coming to 11. I've not rested since morning. We've been suffering with them. They should allow me to go and rest.
All right. Hope all goes well. Dear viewers, that is
to buy. They are looking at how do you move the market where people are many doing other businesses.
It is 10 in the night. It is
the town view that you have booked for your hotel, as you say, it is also in the middle of the city, sir, near the market. So can we look a win-win situation for that?
Sir, I have slept in hotels. Yeah. Okay, I don't sleep in the bush. You are the man that has been following me everywhere I go. You know I sleep in hotels. I don't sleep in bushes. I don't know why today you are blocking me from entering the hotel. What do you want to do to me?
You are failing to. I've been moving with you, and you had good coordination with the problem. You want me to listen to you, don't listen to me. And you are sure that I've been moving with you. I have been moving you, and you have been moving very well, coordinating with the police on the ground. And then you agree on the venue. But here you are failed to agree with the police on the ground.
I have never agreed with you where I sleep. It is my right.
But you agreed with the police. Even me, you have never agreed with me. Yes.
I agreed with you.
But you agreed with the territory police.
We do.
This way I'm going to sleep, and you eventually go there.
Sir, I book my hotel, and I go there. And that tell your people to stop spraying us with pepper spray. Now, allow me to go and sleep, please. You know what you're doing is illegal. You're not supposed to stop me from going to sleep. Okay? You stopped me from campaigning, even if I still have
that one I did not stop you from campaigning. You actually refused to go to your campaign van in Ochorimongin. You refused. Your campaign van was Ochorimongin. I did not stop you. You only left Ochorimongin. You came in the middle of the town. I was just telling you, go to your campaign van in Ochorimongin, not in the middle of town. Don't use me that I denied you to go to campaign. You are in Katakwi. Campaigning is supposed to be Ochorimongin, not in the middle of town. Is that refusing you to go and campaign? You have Electoral Commission known you're supposed to campaign in Katakwi, in Ochorimongin.
Allow me to go and...
Let's go.